This 2026 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 12 SBLP is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 14 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 2 and 12 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 12 SBLP is 2,290 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.